Hello, welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to delete channels on Discord. So make sure you are the owner or you have a permission to doing that. So make sure you do it in appropriate way. I mean, if you delete a channel, it should be all the messages will be gone and people will be this has people will be have this advantage because of your act. So what you have to do, you go to your server, and then for instance I want to delete this video channel or voice channel, and then you just press and hold on that, and then if you scroll down you wouldn't find any delete channel option. You just click this edit channel, and then you scroll down. It's really easy until you can find this delete channel. Okay, I just click this delete channel and then click yes, and then that's it. The channel already gone. I deleted the channel, particular channel, and really easy. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. That's fuel for ours to make better content, better content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.